Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best screen door closers in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 6. National Hardware Touch-End Hold Door Closer. The National Hardware Screen Door Closer has a white painted finish that blends in with white screen doors and stands out on a silver or black finish. It can be installed at the top, center, or bottom of a screen door to control the closing motion, and it's designed with an adjustable closing speed so the user can determine how fast or slow the door should close once it is released. The surface mount screen door closer is a light or standard use option that is a good choice for back doors and side doors that see semi-regular use. It has a one-touch hold open button that prevents the door from closing. When the door is opened up farther, the hold releases and the door can be closed normally again. Number 5. Marie Automatic Door Closer. Though standard door closers are not typically used in residential settings, this Marie door closer is an excellent option for individuals with thick, heavy front doors. The door closer supports doors that weigh between 55 to 100 pounds, so it's also a suitable choice for a security door or a fire door. It comes with the necessary fasteners for installation, though users have to follow the manufacturer's directions before drilling holes into the wall or door for the screws. The standard door closer is intended for frequent, heavy-duty use, with a durable build that should hold up to over 500,000 door openings and closings. It also has an adjustable closing speed, though this closer is not a good option for lightweight doors because the power of the closer will cause the door to slam. High-quality, automatic door closer is made of high-standard aluminum alloy. It can automatically and quietly close your door. Will improve your quality of life. You don't have to yell shut the door nearly as much anymore. Adjustable speed door closer has two valves independently control the closing and latching speed. You control the closing speed as you like. Easy to install and quality standard door closer comes with a detailed and clear installation manual and installation video. It will be a simple and smooth installation. The hydraulic door closer has passed CE, UL, 3C certification and fire test. Produced according to EU production standards, widely applicable adjustable door closer size 2 is used for door weight of 25 to 45 kilograms and door width of 750 to 850 millimeters. Automatic closing is suitable for right and left open door, wood, metal door, residential and commercial door, exterior/interior door closer, fire door, hotel, condominium, apartment complex, warehouse. Number 4. Fort Strong Commercial Door Closer Adjustable Grade 1. Some garages, sheds, and workshops are equipped with heavy-duty commercial doors which cannot be properly supported by lightweight, surface-mount door closers. The Fort Strong Commercial Door Closer is an excellent option for security doors, fire doors, and standard commercial doors that weigh between 80 to 260 pounds, with a closing force that can be adjusted to avoid slamming the door closed. Note that this standard door closer cannot be used with lightweight doors because the closing mechanism is too powerful. While this is a standard door closer, it can be installed as a top jamb closer or even in the parallel arm orientation, depending on the user's preference and the available space. Simply follow the manufacturer's direction for use to drill holes in the door and wall, if necessary, then mount the commercial door closer with the included screws and brackets. High-quality hardware at a great value, designed for low to medium traffic areas, our lightweight FS 7600 automatic door closer is perfect for a variety of residential doors. With our quality aluminum housing and steel-encased hardware, you're receiving our finest hydraulic closer at a superior price. Secure and seamless, don't let the door hit you on the way out. Our hydraulic door closer is built to close consistently and securely. Plus, our auto door closer provides smooth door closure while preventing unwanted slamming. Fully adjustable, with 2 independent valves, you can adjust both the sweep motion and the catch closing mechanism of your door arm closer, so you can set the opening force and closing speed of your door. Number 3. Ideal Security Heavy Storm Door Closer. The Ideal Security Screen Door Closer is a surface mount closer that uses a durable, 1.5-inch thick pneumatic tube and an internal spring mechanism to control the door's closing speed and force. It comes with the brackets and fasteners necessary to install it to a heavy aluminum, steel, or wood storm door, where it can be mounted at the top, middle, or bottom, depending on the door's construction. The heavy-duty use storm door closer is a good choice for busy entrances to the home. It has a high level of durability that can resist repeated opening and closing throughout the day. The door closer can be adjusted with a screw at the end of the pneumatic tube to increase or decrease the closing speed and force. Ideal Security Set contains SK1730 closer, SK26 wide base jam bracket, and SK14 wind chain. The heavy-duty pneumatic, air pressure, door closer is appropriate for heavier aluminum, steel, or wood storm and screen doors from 1 1/4 to 2 thick. This closer is for outswinging storm doors. The door closing speed is adjustable using the air adjustment screw at the end of the closer tube. Protect your storm or screen door and the door closer from damage caused by strong winds by installing a wind chain. The wind chain prevents the door from overextending. When a door opens too much, potential damage to the hinges and the closer can occur. The SK14 wind chain is made from high-quality steel and is plated to protect it from the elements. All screws, brackets, and instructions are included. Ideal Security has been supplying quality hardware to door manufacturers for 65 years. Please explore our other door and window hardware products for your home. Number 2. Wright Products Heavy-Duty Pneumatic Closer. The Wright Products Pneumatic Screen Door Closer has a fully lubricated spring that stretches to allow the door to open a full 90 degrees before it pulls the door closed at a controlled pace, using air within the pneumatic tube to cushion the force of the door, preventing it from slamming. This heavy-duty use screen door closer is a good option for busy entrances to the home, such as the front door, which is frequently left to slam closed behind people rushing into and out of the house. The surface mount screen door closer attaches to the push side of the door frame and the door at the top, middle, or bottom. It can also have the closing speed adjusted so that it doesn't close too quickly and catch the user's ankle or fingers. Wright Products provides a wide variety of pneumatic closers for light duty, standard duty, and heavy duty applications. Easily increase or decrease the closing speed and force by adjusting the end of the pneumatic tube door opens to a full 90 degrees before it pulls the door closed at a controlled pace. Number 1. Greenstar Touch and Hold Smooth Door Closer. This screen door closer is made of corrosion-resistant aluminum that won't be damaged by rain, snow, and sleet. It also resists high and low temperature changes, so there should be no impact on the function of the closer regardless of whether it's winter, spring, summer, or fall. It comes with the necessary fasteners to secure the closer to the back of the door and to the door frame. The standard use screen door closer is a good option for a home's front or back door, and it even comes with a door holding feature controlled with a simple touch button. This allows the door to be held in the open position so that users can carry objects through the doorway or make multiple trips back and forth without repeatedly opening the door. The surface mount screen door closer can be installed at the top, center, or bottom of the door and has a virtually silent, smooth closing function on which users can rely.